Hey guys, it's Sonia Miller with Junk Monkey Paint Company. Happy Monday evening. I hope you are good wherever you are. I'm sitting in the parking lot right now. I just was in the Hobby Lobby and had an awesome time. It's so funny. You know how everybody around Christmas time, they go up to the front where all the Christmas stuff is and they shop all the Christmas stuff? It's almost like they forget that there is a clearance section and there's still stuff being put in the clearance section every single day. So, while a lot of people were up front, I found myself back there and I found some really good deals today. I filmed my trip so we could enjoy it together. Man, it feels so late right now, but I promise it's not. It's still only, I think it's somewhere around 6 p.m. in the evening right here on Monday night. And anybody else feel like with the time change and how dark it gets so early now, it feels like it should be 10 o'clock at night, but it's really not. The night is young and the clearance section and the deals, oh wait. The clearance section! Oh, it always makes me happy to come to this part of the store. Look at this door. Isn't this cool? I thought it was like maybe, I don't know, something cool you could paint and dress up. Look how cheap it was, like $8 and change, and paint and turn it into like a gnome door, a fairy door. I don't know, it'd be something really cool. I'm telling you, the clearance section like that, do you see that? Where you can hang your pendants if you're a creator, a creative. You can find some really good things in this section. If you guys have any good ideas for what I could do with a million gazillion baskets that you just saw there on sale for $3 and change, let me know. And then there was this big giant mirror, $64. Do you see how big that mirror is and how much you would pay for that regularly? Oh, I couldn't figure out what was wrong with this nutcracker. Why would he be here in this section? I mean, he still has his handcuffs and everything. Lots of candles here tonight. These mugs that have the chips in the top of the lip of them, even though you can't use them because they're broken, you know what they're great for? Putting your paintbrushes in and using them for storage. You know, you just kind of like rinse out your brushes and you just want to have a happy creative space. Those are perfect for that. This was a vinyl piece that I guess you put in your laundry room. All kinds of stuff here tonight. I mean, you could use this stuff as gifts to give to somebody. Get it on sale and then go ahead and put together a nice little package for them on a budget. $12 for this little piece of home decor. You know, I'm kind of kicking myself that I did not take this even though there's one missing, just those 3 little cute campers there home for what, $3. There's a couple bulbs here, perfect for if you're just doing like little, I don't know, little decorations and you just need a couple, not the entire box of bulbs. This stuff always amazes me. Okay, can you tell me how there is a box of seeds, but yet the seeds are missing? Did somebody steal them? Does people actually do that, steal things out of the box at the store? It always baffles me. This is a great idea. If you have a light switch, you don't have to keep it, you know, looking plain Jane. You could always paint it and do something fun with it. You can find inspiration as well in the clearance section. When you find pieces like this, you could stick them on like a piece of wood that you've painted and antiqued to make a really cool sign out of. This was some more vinyl stickers that were here. Sometimes you find some really cool designs. You just kind of got to check. This right here was a cool tin. I was almost tempted to bring this home for my recipe cards. It was $3. Would you have brought it home? Look, pendant banners, perfect for pretty much any occasion. Yeah, you can see me sticking those in my cart right there. Don't look, don't look. Don't see my entire haul just yet. Hey, look, what was this thing? I was trying to figure out, even in watching this video back. Okay, the shelf, I see it's a shelf, and it looks like something's broken over there. Was it just a shelf that had hooks maybe hanging off of it? Would you put, I don't know, stockings on it or something? If you recognize it, let me know exactly an idea for what you would do with that shelf. Knobs. Okay, if you're a furniture painter like me, you can see knobs up above. Oh, wait, now I got distracted. Here is a book that's $6 and change. This is the guy, Clint Harp, right? He is on Fixer Upper, who does the woodworking for Joanna and Chip. But yeah, look at this, knobs, okay? So $1 and change. These are pretty universal knobs. You could use them on pretty much anything. There was also a set of 4 green ones there. I went back to here again looking at those. And you know what? Now I'm looking at this video. Do you see those brass gold ones that was right next to it? I swear, I didn't even see that. Sometimes I don't see stuff until I watch videos back. This is perfect here for, you know, mixed media. Maybe you'll find your initials. You can do some artwork with it. Letters, even if they're, you know, if you can find the right letter that you need, great. You could paint it. You could paint over the design that's on it. Again, put it on some board or on a wreath, whatever you want to do. And honestly, this is where I find a lot of just little things. Sometimes I find markers here, paintbrushes here. So it's always good to just look in the littles section of stuff as well. Are you guys seeing anything here that you would potentially need? I could not figure out what these were. Okay, they're decor. There's probably a reason they're in clearance because nobody knows how to use them. Let's see if we can see your initial here. Plates. I mean, think about it. Hobby Lobby has all kinds of stuff, all beautiful stuff, and it all makes its way to the clearance section. So you can find a little bit of everything. That red chippy plate was beautiful. And then if you're into vinyl, look, they had a couple designs here for vinyl paper. I did like that pink paper. Anybody out there, look for vinyl and do your own cutouts for your own signs. So there's also a second clearance section that I found, and it was all related to material and fabric, you know, over in the sewing section. So don't forget to check there too. So you never know what you're gonna find. Anybody out there got a sewing machine and loves to use it? This is where I like to look down here in the remnants of the fabric, because even though it might not be like lots of yardage of material, sometimes you find some really pretty material that would be perfect to recover an ottoman or just an accent chair. Look at this, isn't this wild? This was cool, gray, classy, white arrows. Is this your style? Would you have used a piece of fabric like this? This right here was calling my name, I'm telling you. The shabby florals, that boho, the feathers. Oh, who else loves this material as well? Look, $2.82. I'm telling you, I'm telling you, I'm telling you. You gotta come check the clearance section. This was beautiful quality fabric. Like, it was heavier, gorgeous stuff. I met one of you guys when I was at Hobby Lobby tonight. It was so fun. Karen came up to me. Shout out to Karen and Daryl, her partner in crime, who was also there in the clearance section. Go figure I would meet one of you guys in the clearance section, right? Whenever you see me, please come up and say hello. I'm so glad that Karen did, because she is an awesome person. You guys are awesome. The Banana Bunch family is made up of just good people. So we chatted for a while, and then it was funny because we ended up going to Chipotle next, just across the way, and both of us ended up there as well. So we just kept seeing each other. So it was an awesome evening. We're going to go home now. It is raining. It is a very rainy, dark night out, as you can tell. I'm gonna go home, get my pajamas on, get this vlog up for you guys, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Take care, and I'll show you what I found tomorrow and how I'm going to decorate it, because the pieces I found are pieces that are gonna need decorated. Oh yeah, see ya.